Let's start by understanding what a quadratic equation is. You've probably encountered linear equations before, which form straight lines. Quadratic equations are a bit different. They involve a term with x squared, and their graphs create a characteristic U-shape. The graph of a quadratic equation is called a parabola. This U-shaped curve can open upwards or downwards, depending on the coefficient of the x squared term. Let's see an example of a simple parabola. A crucial aspect of quadratic equations is finding their roots, also known as zeros or solutions. These are the x values where the parabola intersects the x-axis. A quadratic equation can have 2, 1, or no real roots. There are several powerful methods to find the roots of a quadratic equation. We can factor them, use the quadratic formula, or complete the square. Today, we'll focus on the quadratic formula, which always works. Let's put the quadratic formula into action with an example. Consider the equation 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. We'll identify our a, b, and c values, substitute them into the formula, and calculate the solutions.